Morning, Rob Barlow here, Whitewater Gun Dogs. Here we got a little 5.5-month-old cocker. He's out of our field champion, Whitewater's Wahi Rogue. So he's done all his preliminary one up, one out drills, all his puppy stuff. We've been working him, as you can see, he's eager to go. So we've been working him on planted birds. This set here, he'll have roughly 60 contacts. Come here. And then, but what we're to the point now where he's figured out the birds are down the field. He's kind of running big. Because we don't do any obedience with our puppies, you know, other than just check cord and bringing birds in, he's kind of running big. So we've been working on 2 first cast birds and then working on birds to manipulate his pattern and to tighten him up. He's running a little bit tight right now. Kind of behind the gun a little bit, or the handler, but I don't worry about that. As he gets older, that'll go away. And you'll see, you know, I don't have guns out there. I don't have birds, rolling birds in. I don't do any of the above. I want him to quarter. He's ready to go, so we better get going. We'll talk about it as we go. Come on. He's been in this field a couple times, so he knows what he's doing out here. So we're gonna start out. We got 2 first cast birds always, and then we'll work the rest of the course down, rolling in birds as we need them. Good boy. Let's go. Good boy. So his canine teeth are just coming in, so he's having a hard time hanging on to birds. We don't give him any static for it. Come on. Good boy. There you go. Good job. That's pretty good, huh? Got to pee? Want to go again? Let's go. So you can see the first cast birds, how we're getting that nice cast left and right. He's always been really good about delivering his birds. So now we're just gonna move down the field and put in birds where we need to. Let's go. Working on conditioning the turn to the whistle. Good boy. Let's go. Running behind the gun, so I start popping birds in front of me a little bit. Good boy. So we put them birds in front of us to let him know that there's birds out in front of us. Doesn't have to always run behind the gun. Listen, he has no obedience other than just condition him to turn on the whistle. Shorten this side a little bit, upwind side, so we start putting some birds out there for him. Got good drive on his birds. Here, over here. Come on. Good job. Good boy. All right. That's pretty good, huh? Ready to go? Let's go. Get out. There we go. Cast him back in the direction he just got his last bird. Get a good cast out of it. Nose on the ground. Real cocker type run. Good boy. Nice cast. Nice downwind. Going the wrong direction there, buddy. Good boy. Just wanting to square that wind off. Wind's coming across like this, that's how he wants to run it. Hey, hey, come on. Let's go. I like how he makes his birds. Real animated. We'll run him here just a little bit more. Good job. All right, that's pretty good, huh? Oh, very good boy. You like that, huh? Huh? Good eye contact. Let's go. Woo! Good boy. Work him in this little heavy cover a little bit. Let's go. Good boy. Come on, hey, 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 hey. Let's go. Okay. Get busy, little man. There you go. Good boy. All right. So, you know, 5.5 months old. I'm not worried about it. You know, if you watched our videos, you never see us use place boards. I use birds to manipulate a pattern. I want that forward momentum. I want him rolling out. I don't care about the running behind the gun. Time he's 12 months old, you'll never know he did it. So when we get done here, I like to throw a couple retrieves for him. Hey, hey, come here. Woo, woo. Come on. What I got? What I got? Come here. So I never let my dogs chase. I always hang on to them. Come on, you gotta get up here. Oh, that's not a very good one, Tom. Good boy. Come on. Let's try a different one. All right, let's go over here. I know, huh? Yeah, now that I'm throwing birds, you want it, huh? Let's try this one. Let's try this one. This is a fresh one. Hey, right here. Come on. Yeah. Good job. Good job. Tom. Nice job, buddy. Good boy. Because of all of his puppy work, we don't ever have to worry about him running off with birds. He just brings them back. Good job. Then you can see when he's running with this little check cord on. He probably doesn't need it, but we don't want him to know he doesn't have it on. He won't start his obedience probably for another month and a half. Whew. Okay. Make sure you're not on the cord. Nice bird. Tom. Yeah, drives through the cover nice. See, he'll work it out. See if he'll work it out. Good, nice. Nice job. Excuse me. Good job, buddy. Nice heavy cover. Drive through it, get to the other side, come up with the bird. Couldn't ask for anything more.
Come on, bud.
Come on, bud. There you go. Come on, right here. Good job. All right, little man. That's pretty good. That did a pretty good job. Not bad for a little 5.5-month-old puppy. I'll take it. So, he's coming. So, like I said, this will be, you know, he'll have 60 contacts now. Birds off of his nose. I don't count dead birds. I don't count the retrieves. I just count everything that he's questing for. You know, I don't even think about steadying my dogs up until they've had 100+ contacts. He'll have well over that before, you know, well over that before we get to that point. I wouldn't even consider steadying him up until he's 8-9 months old. So by the time he gets there, he'll have close to 200 birds, go through his obedience, all his yard stuff. But he's coming. He's a nice dog. We like him. His owner will be happy with him, you know. And I like his disposition. He's really nice. Animated in the field, animated on his birds. You couldn't ask for anything more for a nice puppy. Thanks.